Hello, welcome. I'm Stephen Watson here at Anytime Fitness in North Madison, Connecticut with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's another in our Physioball series. and often when we work on kicks in Tàijíquán, we'll be encouraged to work with external support so that we get more practice in the area of strength and endurance rather than balance. The idea being that balance will tend to fail before strength and endurance. So I don't keep practicing, which means I don't build up my strength and endurance. Whereas if I have an external support, balance is not going to be what fails me. I'll find where the limits of my strength and endurance are as I practice a kick. So that's with an external support, like a walker or a cane, or in this case, an exercise bike. But whether or not we have this external support, we can also practice for the support of the leg itself using a Physioball. And so I've used this to kind of help people keep a level as they kick so that they aren't like slowly going down, and that usually kind of drags the body. But the ball, unless it happens to become deflated in the middle of the kick, is going to be about the same level. So I can feel a little bit of support in my leg and, practice the kick. And if it has, matching gestures and breaths and so forth. So I can be practicing that kick perhaps a number of times, maybe doing this in concert with external support. And this should allow me to really pay attention to the experience of the leg and the joints in the leg rather than just, oh my God, I'm tired, or I'm kicking the guy, or I'm losing my balance. So good luck with that, and ask yourself what support you're giving to the art that you love.
This QR code takes you to our link tree, which has all of our links, among them financial support links, which is certainly going to be very helpful. We appreciate your commenting, subscribing, linking, and going to Patreon.